Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms game crashing or not working, keep stopping, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check for the game update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms game. After that, here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, or even you can enable airplane mode and again disable airplane mode, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to force stop the app. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this step, check if you can play the game. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, you can install a VPN to access the app easily. For that, you have to go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and lots of VPN apps will be available over here. Install any one of it and after that log into it. After that, change the location and then try to log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to check for phone OS update. So for that, you have to go to settings. After that, go below, click on system update, and here you will find if any update is available. Here you will find if any update is available for your phone OS. So after updating your phone OS to the latest version, now check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have done this, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Blood Oath 3 Kingdoms game and finally click on the install option and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.